Yes, I don't know it's Jala representing for Empie Sound, and I say big up man like DJ Marvin, Dr. C, Brother Screw. You don't know the things set in a Brandon and Ruley. I would have a ramp with Soldier. Okay. Jala representing for the real champion. Empie Sound a champion. Rise up every champion. Oh, Lord. I say give we hunks of herbs and make we smoke up them sin. Cause so how we feel the cops no want intervene. Empire upon them ends with extra loading magazine. DJ Marvin shoot them from him M16. M16 from an M16. M16 like a M6. Empire Sound roll out with extra loading magazine. No place you jump on like a M16. Tired to see you put them hands on ya. White squall bust you mount corner. Jump and sound drop down through the pressure. Empire Sound them no really give a ass. Hold up, look now, jump and get fling out. And can't show but you no shop why you come out. Empire Sound run the whole dance on. Empire Sound send jump onto burial ground. So ring the alarm, cause jump and sound be falling. Whoa, Empire Sound them a champion. And we know on a skylarking. Oh, yeah. And I say big up man like DJ Marvin, Dr. C, Brother Screw, Randu and Rolling, Soji, rise up them 16, jump and leave the dance hall. Empire Sound a shoot M16 from an M16. M16 like a M6. Empire Sound roll out with extra loading magazine. The place you jump on like a M16. Well bring it come on man, say bring it come on ya. Empire Sound in a full suit of armor. Get the youths getting much wiser and bolder. Don't fear your splice to be powder you over. No, well if you ain't know now you way no. Empire Sound them one them own a payroll. Tired for yourself for and live life poor. We no want to see no more youths step on that road. Ring the alarm, cause jump and sound be falling. Whoa, yeah, man say ring the alarm. DRE Island representing